everyone, let's solve one previous question of recurrence relation. This question was asked in GATE CS 2015 set 1 question number 49. Let A of n represent the number of bit string of length n containing two consecutive ones. What is the recurrence relation for A of n? And 4 options are given. So what will be the value of A of 1? Length of the bit string is 1. It contains only 0 and 1. In 0 and 1 both there are no two consecutive 1. So A of 1 equals to 0, right? There are no single digit having two consecutive 1. Next, what will be the value of A of 2? A of 2 will be 1, as in 1 1 there are two consecutive 1s. Next, what will be the value of A of 3? In A of 3 there can be 0 1 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So A of 3 equals to 3. There are 3 bit string having two consecutive 1. Okay. Next, what can be value of A of 4? 0 0 1 1, 0 1 1 0. Like this, if we write all, there are 8 4-bit string having two consecutive 1, right? So if we see, there are no link between 0, 1, 3, 8. I already solved opposite of this, like not containing two consecutive 1. In not containing, there is a link like A of n equals to A of n minus 1 plus A of n minus 2. But here, in case of containing two consecutive 1, there are no link. So what we will do, we'll check option wise. So we'll find A3 and A4 value by using all the options A, B, C, D, and we'll match whether it is 3 and 8 or not, right? A of 3 according to option A will be A of n minus 2. So A of 3 minus 2 is A of 1 plus A of 2 plus 2 power 1. What is A of 1? A of 1 equals to 0. A of 2 equals to 1 plus 2. It's 3. Yes, it's same. A of 3 equals to same. Now check A of 4. So A of 4 will be A of 2 plus A of 3 plus 2 power 2. What is A of 2? 1 plus A of 3, 3, 2 power 2, 4. So 4 plus 4, it's 8. Yes, both A of 3 and A of 4 matches. That's why answer will be option A. Let me check also option B, C and D for A of 3 and A of 4. Now option B, A of 3 equals to 0 plus 2 multiplied 1 plus 2, it's 4. 4 is not equals to 3. And A of 4 value is 11. 11 is not equals to 8. So option B is wrong. Next check option C. 2 multiplied 0 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 3. This matches. Then A of 4 equals to 2 multiplied 1 plus 3 plus 4. It's 9. 9 is not equals to 8. So option C is also wrong. Next option D. A of 3 equals to 2 multiplied 0 plus 2 multiplied 1 plus 2. It's 4. It doesn't match. Then A of 4 equals to 2 multiplied 1 plus 2 multiplied 3 plus 4. It's 12. So we found according to option A of 3 and A of 4 value equals to 3 and 8 respectively. So answer will be option A. I already discussed similar type of questions during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.